I guess all the multiple choices.
1 minus.
Especially the
1
probability.
minus.
Okay, let's read it. Let's read it. Penny carries. I need you to concentrate on this one in particular because I'm not just going to do it as a multiple choice. I'll do it as a full question. Penny carries out an experiment in dropping 2 pins. 2. All right. So we can do with the tree diagram first and second. She finds the probability that both of them lands on top. This is the. That's when both of them land on top. And the probability of exactly one lands on top is 29 out of 50. Sometimes when they do the fraction, simplify it, it might confuse you a bit. I can reverse the process for this fraction and make it as the same denominator. That would be 12 over 50. Makes it much easier for you to see. What's the probability that neither of them lands? Okay? Let's have a look if I wanted to make a tree. So one can land on top, one not. Okay? One can land on top of the one not, top and not. Isn't that how we draw the tree?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. This, what's given to me here, it says both of them land on top. So it includes this part, right? So the probability of these two is 12 over 50. Probability of exactly one lands on top. Which branch does it include? Which branch?
First one and this one.
This one exactly 1.
And
This one exactly 1. So these two, that's a 9 over 50.
29.
Right?
29.
29 over 50. Okay? Now what's left out of it? That none of them land on top. So you actually have this whole thing, it's plussing these two, taking it away from 1, it should give me the none. That's why your friend was saying 1 minus the 2 that was given. So you know the complementary method? So if I wanted to find neither of them landing on its top, it'd be the n and the n. Okay? So that would be 1 take away addition of these 2. Okay? Now you find out on the calculator. But you see, when something you can't understand, it's easier to illustrate in a little diagram. Is that clear? Okay, so it might be easier for you to understand what I mean by saying, oh, none of them land. Okay, 1 minus